whatever you think is important. What are you advising people about what happened here?
Okay. We've had 4 cases of an E. coli infection of the sort that makes us concerned it can cause serious disease, especially in children. This being a petting zoo, we're taking it really seriously, and so we wanted to get the word out that it's summertime, people are going to be out. Petting zoos are a great experience for kids. We want to make sure it's a safe experience, especially for kids. So these 4 cases include 2 adults, 2 children, the adults under age 30, the kids under the age of 5. They were all male except for 1 child is a girl. And all of them had the usual symptoms of an E. coli infection: diarrhea, cramping, vomiting, and one of the children ended up in hospital for 3 days. Out of the hospital now, and to the best of our knowledge is doing fine. But it's a real reminder to us that we've got to be serious about our animals. All of them can carry disease, and it can be serious for humans. So it's important that parents, when they take their children to the petting zoo, that they're watching the kids closely, that they're making sure that the kids aren't crawling through the chips, aren't putting their hands in their mouth, aren't eating food while they're in with the animals, and that everyone, parents, children, everyone is washing their hands carefully. So the most important message here: wash your hands if you're in contact with the animals. Now, anyone who's been to a petting zoo recently or out to a farm or in contact with animals, if they get the symptoms like diarrhea, abdominal cramps, vomiting, they should check with their healthcare provider, let the healthcare provider know that they were at a petting zoo, so that the healthcare provider can do appropriate tests if necessary.
This type of E. coli, is it fatal? How serious can this turn?
Well, it can be very serious. Folks may recall the Jack in the Box event 2 decades ago almost, and currently in Germany you have E. coli ostensibly linked to sprouts. So although this is mostly spread through food, it originates with the animals, and petting zoos have been associated with the spread of this kind of E. coli. So should parents be concerned? Yes, because it can cause a really serious disease, basically kidney failure and even death. We have not had any kidney failures or deaths associated with this. I think we're getting the jump on it, getting the word out. The petting zoo has taken really significant precautions to enhance the safety of the experience for everybody. So they've changed the environment to remove some things that were encouraging kids to get down on their hands and knees. They're making sure that the signs are going to be all there. They're going to be having staff really encouraging people to wash their hands. I think they're doing all the right things to assure that people can still enjoy the experience, but they're going to come out of it safe.
And one thing that you said earlier, you're talking about parents to be aware of kids, but a couple of adults actually also were taken ill. Are there things that parents need to watch out for after they've washed their children's hands, etc.? Yeah,
they better wash their own hands. And if their child still gets sick, parents need to know that child can be spreading the infection within the family. So they need to be especially vigilant, washing their hands a lot at home. So again, the key message here, it's good hygiene. One of the easiest things, and yet one of the most powerful tools we've got to prevent the spread of infection.
Perfect. Thank you, Doc.